Hey guys, so today we are discussing a very interesting topic, and it's a topic of is there a difference between skin bleaching, skin toning, skin brightening, and skin lightening? Is there a difference in those terms, in those terminologies? Do they mean the same thing to you? Do you get offended when someone says you're doing skin bleaching? So I really want to pick your mind on this, guys. I really want to see what you think about this topic, because it's a topic which at times offends people. When you tell someone she's doing skin bleaching, she get offended. Like I remember very well Vera Sidika in her interview with Rari Madowo on NTV, where she was very vocal about this. She was saying, no, skin bleaching is for River Road, using those cheap creams. Me, what I'm doing is skin lightening.
You've had some skin lightening done.
Oh yeah, you said it right. Because you know what? When you say it, bleaching is for River Road.
Okay. So what you've done is called skin lightening.
Yes, it's
not bleaching.
No, it's not bleaching.
Why did you have your skin lightened?
So let me just tell you basically on what I think people mean by those terms. Like when you talk about skin bleaching, most people equate skin bleaching to like someone who has moved up like 6 or 7 shades lighter. That is what they equate or they call skin bleaching, and also depending on the products that someone has used to get that level. So basically in a picture, I'll say this is what we call skin bleaching, moving from this shade to this shade. That is what they call skin bleaching. But correct me if I'm wrong. Or moving from this shade to this other shade. Okay, I think that's what people refer to as skin bleaching. The extensive removal of melanin, like 7 or 6 shades later. And then again, skin lightening is like 3 shades later, if I may say so myself. That's what I think people equate skin lightening to, or depending on the products used. Like if you're using like more high-end products, people say they are doing skin lightening instead of skin bleaching. Just my thoughts. So in my own opinion, skin lightening is like moving from this shade to this shade. That is what most people say skin lightening is. Then now skin toning, I think in my own opinion, is like moving how people see it. It's like moving like about like 2 shades lighter, or like 1 shade lighter, where you have a very minimal difference between your original skin color to your new skin color. Like moving from this shade to this shade is what most people think or most people refer to as skin lightening. And then essentially skin brightening is basically like as the name says, just brightening up your skin. Even people who are Caucasians, African Americans, they brighten their skin using natural products, things like lemon, or using glycolic acid. Your skin becomes more brighter instead of becoming dull. Your skin becomes more brighter, but you're basically not changing your complexion, just making your skin become more brighter. So it's like moving from this shade to this shade. Your skin basically looks more healthy, has that healthy kind of a glow. So I was thinking I just address this topic because for me personally, I don't know about you guys, maybe I want to hear from you guys, but for me personally, when I was beginning my skin lightening journey, I used to get so offended when someone would say I'm doing skin bleaching. Most especially my brother, my big brother used to make fun of me all the time and tell me I'm doing skin bleaching, and I get so mad at him. I get so angry, like, why? It's not skin bleaching, it's skin lightening. So in the past I used to be so defensive. I'll go on a full defensive rant if you told me I'm doing skin bleaching. But nowadays, honestly, you guys know I'm on the internet, so I put my life out here for you guys. So for me, honestly, I really don't care if people call it skin bleaching, skin lightening, skin whatever it is. For me, I really don't care what terminology they used to refer to the whole process. For me, I'm okay with all of them. For me, they are all the same, but I know people have differences. And also recently I saw a video that Binta Smell made, and Binta Smell is very popular here on YouTube on skin lightening. Let me just say skin lightening, not to offend anyone. So she's very popular here on that, and she in her video she was saying she is not bleaching her skin. She is just maintaining her skin color, something along those lines. And I'll roll up the clip so you can see what she said.
I receive a lot of hateful comments. You bleach your skin, you do this. I don't bleach my skin. We all have natural skin tone in my family. If you see my sisters, don't worry, I'm going to vlog with my sisters one of these days. I don't bleach my skin. I use fair and white gold to maintain my natural skin color. Why do you all think I bleach my skin? Every single day I receive a lot of Facebook comments. You bleach your skin is not natural. You bleach your skin. I don't bleach my skin. I maintain my normal skin tone with fair and white. Do you guys have any problem with that?
So for me, as a person who used to get offended easily by the word skin bleaching, I may understand why most people don't want to be associated with that term. That reminds me of the video that went viral on what's up on Facebook about that lady. I put the clip on the screen so you can see this lady who is doing basically skin bleaching. Basically her body is immersed in a bathtub of water. I think water has some chemicals in it or some acids, and then the other lady is peeling her skin. Literally, like, she's immersed in a bath of bleach. So basically it's just like literally taking the word in the literal context, literally skin bleaching. So when you look at that video, it makes the whole thing look so brutal and look so, what's the right word? It just gives a brutal perspective on what we do, and gives what we're doing a bad name. Because when you tell someone you're doing skin lightening, in their mind they might think you're actually like bleaching, like actually bleaching your skin. But for me, honestly, I don't get offended by that word or anything. But let me know, guys. I really want to hear your opinions on this. Do you get offended when someone tells you you're doing skin bleaching? How do you take that? I know mostly for beginners, I know that word offends most people. I know it does, I know. But I want to hear your comments, guys. Let me know how you differentiate those terms, or if they mean the same thing to you. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. And until next time, see ya, love you, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Make sure you subscribe and you hit the bell button to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Mwah. Cheers, guys.